Hi everyone! Welcome back to Animated Ideas. Today we're going to practice grade 2 sight words in a fun and interactive way. Stick with me until the end because I've also prepared some free worksheets for you to download and keep practicing at home. Alright, let's start with a quick warm-up. Look at this sentence. The cat blank on the bed. Which word do you think fits best? Is it runs, cold, or right? The best answer is runs. The cat runs on the bed. Nice job if you got it right. Now try this one. I blank my lost toy under the bed. Which word fits best? Is it found, best, or always? The best answer is found. I found my lost toy under the bed. Great job! Let's have the last one. She will blank a story in her notebook. Which word do you think fits best? Is it right, cold, or pull? Take a second to think. The best answer is right. She will write a story in her notebook. Now that our brains are warmed up, let's quickly review what sight words are. Sight words are words that we see so often in reading that we should know them right away without stopping to sound them out. For example, she always helps her friends. The word always here is a sight word. Let's take a look at some important grade 2 sight words. Here are the sight words we'll be practicing today. Always, because, found, best, right, cold, pull, these, and would. We're going to practice them in sentences so you'll know how to use them in your own reading. And we'll start with a short passage activity. Here's a short passage. Let's read it together. While reading, try to spot the sight words from our list. Ready? Here we go. Anna and Ben like to play outside every afternoon. They always run in the big yard and share their toys because they are best friends. One day, Anna found a little red ball, and Ben wanted to write his name on it. The air was cold, but they still had fun. They decided to pull the wagon with their toys and said, "These are the best days." They would play until the sun went down. Did you find the sight words? Let's check. The words were always, because, best, found, right, cold, pull, these, and would. Great job if you spotted them. Now, let's do a quick practice with individual sentences. Let's try these. I'll read a sentence and you fill in the missing sight word. First up, she is my blank friend. Is it best, cold, or right? Did you say best? Perfect! Great start! She is my best friend. Now try this one. He wears his hat blank, it is sunny. Is it found, these, or because? The answer is because. He wears his hat because it is sunny. Excellent. Okay, here comes another one. She blank helps her mom at home. Is it found, always, or would? It's always. She always helps her mom at home. Awesome practice! You're getting really good at sight words. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick review. Let's say today's sight words together one more time. Always, because, found, best, right, cold, pull, these, and would. The more you practice, the easier they'll be to recognize while reading. Speaking of practice, I've got something special for you. I've made some free sight words worksheets just for you. You can check the video description for the download link or visit animatedideas.com for even more free resources for kids. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun lessons, and share it with a friend who wants to practice sight words too. Thanks for watching and see you next time!